finally, to Henry's how-tos, I'm going to show you how to make saucy slow cooker meatloaf. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by placing 1 cup of breadcrumbs into a bowl. And we're going to top this up with about half a cup of full cream milk. Now we'll just give that a mix together, just to get that well combined. And we'll set that to the side while we move on. So guys, next, just into a large bowl, I'm going to grate 1 red onion. You can use a brown onion if you prefer. Next to this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 3 crushed garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, and we'll crack in 2 whole eggs. And we just want to mix this all together. Just so we get that well combined. Alright guys, so next I'm going to add in 1 kilo of ground beef into this. And I'm also going to add in our breadcrumb and milk mixture, which is nicely absorbed now. And all we're going to do is start mixing this all together. Now it is best to do this by hand. If you're doing it with a machine, it's sort of going to over mix it and it's going to get tough. So it should come together nicely like that, which is what we want. So guys, next I'm going to get my slow cooker and get the dish out. I'm just going to place a large piece of aluminium foil inside. Now you want to place it in a way so it's coming up all the sides and covering everything. Just like so. And we'll just drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there. And you just want to make sure to get it all around. You can use an oil spray as well if you prefer. So guys, we'll set our pot aside for now. We'll bring back our meatloaf mixture. And all we want to do is shape it into a loaf shape like that. As you can see. Now you can use a bit of water if you want to smooth it out, but it's not really important. And we'll place this into our pot. So that's how it looks now. So what we're going to do is make our glaze now, and that's the most important part. So guys, this part's pretty straightforward. Just into a bowl, we'll add 1 cup of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. And to this I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. And we'll add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll also add in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And we just want to mix this all together and get our glaze nice and combined. So we'll bring our meatloaf back, and all we want to do is pour half of this glaze right on top, and we'll save the other half for after. Make sure to cover all on top and the sides as much as you can, just like that. It looks good already, doesn't it? So guys, we're going to place this into our slow cooker now. We're going to put it on the low temperature, and we want to cook it for about 6 hours. Alright guys, so we're at the 6-hour mark now, so I've just turned off my slow cooker, and that's how it looks so far, and that looks pretty good, doesn't it? So at this point, what I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius, or alternatively put your grill on high heat. So what we're going to do is take this out now and place it into a baking tray. And what we're going to do now is place the rest of our basting sauce straight on top. And give it a good coating. And get as much coverage as you can on the top and the sides. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So I was going to go back into the oven now. We're going to put this in there for about 15 minutes until we get a nice brown glaze. Or if you're putting it under the grill, probably about 10-15 minutes. Just keep your eye on. Alright guys, so I've just brought it out of the oven after 15 minutes, and look at that beautiful shiny glaze, full of sweetness. So what we're going to do now is let this rest for about 5 or 10 minutes before you slice it. Alright guys, so I've just taken it out, and here comes the moment of truth. And just look at that. So we'll slice it just like a bread loaf. Just how beautiful does that look? So guys, I've just served mine up with some potato mash here on the side. So you can see a video on that on my channel, nothing complicated about that. Alternatively, this can also go with rice, which I've seen. It can go with fries, it can go with salad, or just as well it can go on its own for a perfect meal. And that's all there is to it guys. So simple and easy dish that the whole family will love, especially the kids. Now, there's so many variations you can do. I won't even get into them all right now. But you can change beef for lamb, you can change it for chicken, add a mixture of all of them, anything you like. You can change your sauce, change your spices, change what you serve it with, completely up to you. So let me know in the comments what you'd change about it. Let me know if you have other family recipes on it that you want to share with me. Let's share all our ideas. As always guys, please make sure to like, share and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Now I've been looking forward to trying this all night, so it's time to get into it. It's so soft, and so sweet, and it's just perfect. I'll see you all next time.